pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks.
Okay, morning guys. We are here at Swartfly Beach and there is a fishing comp today. So unfortunately my boat's not ready yet, but I decided to come down quickly and do some drone footage of all the boats launching, guys warming up, and then maybe later on I'll come down for the weigh in as well. But it is still pitch dark. You can see that's the ocean in front of us, but it's still pitch dark. But yeah, we are here. The boat that I actually want to film is the boat on wheels. So some of you might have seen this boat. There's been a couple of clips going around about the boat on wheels. It does have a trailer, but he can ride onto his own trailer. So everybody's very excited to go out today. So you can see at the back, we've got two 130s. There's the wheels, the one back wheel, the other wheel. And an absolutely amazing boat. Yeah, so we've got this long way that we need to drive down on this, and then you on this little path, and then you go. There's the front wheel. You can see the front wheel as well. It all lifts up into there. But I'm gonna try and film that for you when they are launching. Then okay, yeah, let's go first with welcome to another Blowdom episode. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Ooh, so dark, I can't see. I hope you guys have enjoyed the boat build. We are almost done. I ordered the cables and I wanted to go out this weekend badly, but unfortunately they sent generation 2 cables, not generation 1 cables, so then I couldn't use my boat today. So now we are actually going out nice now with Ray, Uncle Ray. So that will be another episode, but I'm first going to do some drone footage of fishing here. Thank you to everybody who's been buying me coffees. You guys have been so helpful in helping me with my boat rebuild, and those motors are absolutely amazing. The 60 Bigfoots that we put on, absolutely stunning motors. The boat's performing brilliantly. The buoyancy is perfect. So thank you to everybody that's helped out there. I'll put, once the boat is done, I'll do a complete video of everything that we did, all the businesses that helped out. Yeah, I'll do like a complete thing of that. And then yeah, please guys subscribe. We are only around about 30-40% of the guys that's watching the videos is actually subscribed. So please guys subscribe. It does help the YouTube algorithm a lot. And also like the videos and comment on the videos. It really helps out a lot. If you can't afford a coffee, in the link how the coffee works, there's a link, and then instead of buying me an actual coffee, you can donate some money towards the Blowdom fund, the Blowdom boat, the gecko, and all our adventures. But and then yeah, let's see what we can figure out here with this boat. We are here on the beach at Swartfly now, and you can hear the waves. We are already standing on the beach here. You can see the beach. I don't know if you can see the waves. No, it's still too dark to see the waves. But we're here for the fishing competition. The guys are coming down the hill, or not yet coming down the hill. Launch is at first light, and just want to step away. I don't want to get wet. Yeah, so I actually came down to specifically film the boat on wheels, and we are in luck today. The boat on wheels is here, so we're going to be able to film that boat for you. It does have, I'm 100% sure how it works. Maybe some of you can explain a little bit better how it works, but it's got hydraulic wheels, so it can drive on sand. So it drives itself off the trailer, then it drives down the ramp here at Swartfly. You've seen us many times go down the ramp. So then drive down the ramp, and as soon as it hits the water, it just lifts its wheels and it lowers its motor. It's got two 130 4-stroke Yamahas in the back. That boat has got all the bells and whistles you can imagine on it. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can maybe put the drone in the air and even capture it while it is while it's launching. I'll set up a camera, I'll have my head strap on, and I'll set the camera down to film everything, and then hopefully I can show you a couple of more launches. There is around about 5 boats that's going to be launching. I don't think the ocean is very flat. I think the ocean is quite big, the surf is quite big. After this, myself, Shaggy and Stefan, we're going to Nisa. We're going to go out at Nisa. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy the episode. I hope we can show you something new. This is definitely something new for me. I haven't seen this boat launch at Swartfla. I've seen it launch at Caimans, but I have not seen this boat launch at Swartfla. So hopefully I can show you the launch here. And then hopefully in the next episode I can show you a couple of nice fish. We're going for hake and stockfish. I am on school holiday for the next 4 weeks, so hopefully I can get a lot of videos out. The water is still very dirty, so no spearfishing. We're going to do rock and surf. I'm going to try and catch a steenie. Last year in the winter we tried catching a steenie, we couldn't. I'm going to try and catch my first ghali, my first galjoen on national fish. So there's a couple of things that we want to do, and hopefully we can do all of that. So please guys, remember to enter. How you enter the competition: buy a coffee in the link, donate. The $5 gets you into the competition, $10 gets you home on the gecko. The gecko is so close to being done. We just had the wrong cables, so we need the correct cables, otherwise we would have been on the water with a gecko this week. Everything else is done on the boat. The gecko is performing excellent. We had the first run with a gecko on Island Lake. That boat is flying. It goes from 9 kilometers to 55 kilometers within 4-5 seconds. So, and it's lying perfectly well in the water. All the buoyancy has been done. Everything is perfect. So yeah, just waiting for those cables, because the throttle cables was a little bit stiff. So just waiting on the cables to come in, and then hopefully we can get that all ready and done for the next adventure. And then yeah, like I said, we've got 4 weeks of fishing ahead of us, so hopefully I can get a lot of fishing done. But we're just waiting for the boat. They're probably waiting for sunrise, and then yeah, there's a little bit of sunrise. I don't know if you guys can see it yet. It's a little bit of light. Yeah, there you can see a little bit of light starting to show. Still can't see the ocean. But yeah, we're just waiting for the boats to come down, and then I'll start filming those for you. Enjoy.
to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear, and there's a sedation. I don't sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger.
Oh, Jock's always like trouble. Okay guys, so we've got a lot of guys on the beach now. We've got Jock here. Jock with his brand new boat. First launch for Jock?
Yeah, first launch.
Oh, there we go, there we go.
First launch.
The boat's looking very nice. Yo, it looks really nice.
Okay, have a squiz.
Jock has done a lot of work on this boat. 40 CVs on the back. Oh, just look at that boat. Oh, hard work coming together, eh? Oh. Then we've got Johankie launching, JJ. Hey, gooi. Wow. So, Johankie, and then we've got Buta. Buta's also going to launch now. Yo, we've got all the experienced skippers. Kobus is here, Werner is here, Buta is here, Johankie is here. All the experienced guys from the club, all going out for the comp today. Yo. So some big boats getting launched here at the moment. Some cats getting launched, some monohulls getting launched. So yeah, I hope I got some nice drone footage of the launches. Bertie Junior and Senior also on their deck. They went out. I got some nice footage of them hitting a couple of waves. Unfortunately, then the GoPro's one battery died. So I'm going to put another battery on and see if I can get maybe another launch or two. Sand is really nice and hard today. So the guys aren't struggling that much on the beach. JJ, named after his son. Okay, so there you can see that's a very nice boat as well. And then you've got Buta's boat. Oh, beautiful Suzuki 4-strokes on the back. So they're also going to be launching a nice cabin on the boat. Pity, Buta's wife Teresa fishing with him. Hello Pity.
Until I found you, oh, I'm not gonna let you go. Oh, I'm gonna hold you close. It's hard, cause it took 5 years until I found you. We're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know it. We're just getting started, baby. just right next to you. Move next to me and show me all the things you wanna do. Oh, I can't wait to try them all. Going around the world in on fancy cars. Look at all the stars, I can't believe this is true. It took 5 whole years to find you, but we're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know that. We're just getting started, baby.
These guys are very, very experienced skippers. All of them launching here today. They've done this many times. Cruise on. Okay, let's see Johanki. Oh, 270s on the back, more than enough power. Off he goes. Oh, nice little flat he's got there. Beautiful flat. That's how you do it. Easy does it. Wanky's out. Jocks, next up. Let's see the skipper in action. Morning, morning. Yes, a man with a new boat doesn't want to dump his boat on the sand. A man with a new boat there doesn't want to dump it. Brand new boat, doesn't want to dump it. Over here we don't do it like in Natal with tractors. It's up here we do it with hard labor. We turn the boat around with hard labor. See Buta launching a big boat, 1, 2, 3, in and out. There you go. Oh, look, listen to the sound of that CVs. They've got a very distinct sound because they just, yeah. The 40 CVs does have a distinct sound compared to your 3-cylinder. That is 2-cylinder CVs, 40s. They've got a distinct sound. There they go. It's got some water under him. Oh, he needs to turn that boat. There we go. Well done, Jock. New boat. Only one motor on at the moment. There's the other one. There the other one goes. Life jackets. Got the other motor on. Yeah, there we go. And a nasty little swell there. Trim tilt's going down. Got water under him. Now he can dance. Oh, good save. And there's your flat. Run it, Jock. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. It's got motor problems. There we go. Nice flat. Yo, look at that boat go. Beautiful. Oh, is he turning? Is he turning? He's turning! He wants to play in the surf. Hey, look at that thing run. Oh, yes, that boat runs beautiful. Oh, that's a happy man on his new boat. That's a happy man on his new boat. Enjoy, Jock. I hope you catch a lot of fish, my man. Okay guys, and that concludes this episode. So I'm gonna get in the bucky and drive to Nisa. Then we're gonna go through the heads and then we're gonna do some fishing.